In this video, I'm going to show you how to add chapters to your YouTube video using timestamps. The first timestamp must be 0:00. To get started, as you're uploading your video, go to the description. Now on the description, type in 00:00. Now space it, and next you can now title it as your intro or whatever you want to title it. For this video I'm uploading, I already have the timestamp for the video, so I'm just going to copy it and paste it on the description. So immediately you paste it, scroll down to category, scroll down to this empty box here. This is where you can add in the time code. So I'm just going to paste in everything I've typed. And if you observe any error message like this, just go through your time code to make sure that you space it from the title. So now I'm just going to space it, and as you can see, we don't have any error message. And now as you can see, we have successfully added time code and chapters to this video. On the chapter, your viewers can easily select the side they want to watch and the section in that video they want to watch, and it will make it easier for them to watch. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. My name is Ebenezer from USA Studio. Thank you for watching this video.